Hello everyone, my name is KB Kwan. Today I want to share with you how do I make my homemade apple pie. I've divided the recipe into a few sections. First, let's take a look how to make the pie crust. The ingredients are flour, sugar, salt, cold butter, and some ice water. You can get the recipe and the quantity of each ingredient at tasteasianfood.com apple pie. Mix the flour, sugar, and the salt in a container. Add the cold butter cubes and combine with the flour. Use your clean hand to rub the butter into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. Add the cold water bit by bit and combine until it all sticks together. Transfer the dough to the cling film. Wrap it up and keep in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Now let's move on to prepare the apple fillings. You can choose any kind of apple you like, but I'm using green and the combination of green and red apples today. Peel the apples. Remove the core. Then cut into slices. Combine the apples, the caster sugar, brown sugar, season with some salt, cinnamon, nutmeg. Cook over low heat for 5 to 8 minutes. Add a small cube of butter. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken the apple pie fillings so that it will not wet the pie crust too much during baking. Transfer the apple fillings to a colander or a strainer to remove any excess liquid. Remove the dough from the refrigerator. Cut it into half, one for the top and the other one for the bottom of the pie. And roll it out to the size slightly bigger than a pie. Then fold the dough into a quarter. And carefully transfer it to the pie pan. Press the dough to the shape of the pie pan. And cut away the extra edges. The apple filling has cooled down, and I want to add some raisin to it before I transfer it to the pie crust. Roll out the other half of the pie crust to a circle. Cut it to half-inch strips. and lay it on the fillings of the apple to form a lattice. Trim off the excess dough about half an inch from the edge. Fold the top and the bottom of the edge underneath itself. Crimp the edges. Apply some egg liquid on top before baking. Before you put it into the oven, put an aluminum foil at the edge, because the edge is a part that is going to burn faster than the rest. Bake it at 195 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. At the 30th minute, remove the aluminum foil. Continue baking until it turns golden brown and it is done. Thanks for watching. Please download the recipe at tasteasianfood.com apple pie. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KB Kwan. Bye for now.